Are you sick and tired of seeing your crypto just go sideways and never pump? Day after day, you look at the same crypto charts and you see little to no change. You keep waiting and waiting for the next bull run, but it doesn't happen. Where's the excitement of your crypto portfolio pumping to all-time highs? You look at your charts and you wonder, is this all there is? You even consider selling your crypto, but then you remember the dude who bought a pizza with 10,000 Bitcoin, and you don't want to be that guy. Well, what if we told you there's a way to instantly grow your crypto portfolio by 50%? That's right, I said instantly. We're talking about growing your money by 50% instantly, not in a year, not in a month, but instantly. Do you know how many people dream of making 50% returns on their money in a year? But now you get to make 50% immediately just by knowing which buttons to click. I know it sounds crazy, but it's really easy to do when you know Mr. X's free money hack. Think about this. If with just a few clicks you could suddenly have 50% more money, you could invest 50% more in your favorite crypto or altcoin. You could take advantage of time-sensitive investment or business opportunities. You could buy your loved one a really nice gift. You could enjoy more nice dinners out. You could take a much-needed vacation. You could buy a nicer car or that dream car. You could put a down payment on a house or an investment property. You could use Mr. X's yield farming strategies to grow it by as much as 500% or more. Hey, it's Dave Espino, and on behalf of James Renuff, we've teamed up with Mr. X again to bring you something unbelievable and brand new in the crypto space. You're about to discover how to turn $10 into $15 instantly, $100 into $150 instantly, $1,000 into $1,500 instantly, and $10,000 into $15,000 instantly. And do it over and over again as often as you want. The bottom line, you get 50% more instantly with Mr. X's free money hack. And you can do this with zero downside risk. Now, this might not be possible in the traditional world of money, but it's absolutely possible in the world of DeFi. DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and it can completely change your life when you know how to work it. And Mr. X knows more insane crypto DeFi strategies than anyone else that we know. When Mr. X showed us this hot new strategy for growing our crypto, well, our minds were blown. Remember, this 50% additional money is free to you. It's like you rubbed a magic lamp and 50% more money came out. If you gave us $1,000 and we gave you back $1,500, how many times would you want to do that? As many times as possible, right? The thing is, it's not only possible, but it's being done all day long. This is money you can reinvest for more gains or just use it to enjoy life. This is a brand new strategy where all you need to do is follow a couple of simple steps. We know this is nuts, but it doesn't just stop there. Once you get your 50% instantly, Mr. X will then show you how you can get an additional 24% on top of the 50%. Now we're talking about making 74% in pure profit and doing it instantly. This is only possible because the world of crypto DeFi is using mechanisms that were previously only available for big commercial banks, hedge funds, and investment banks. But now you have the power, and this is ridiculously simple and easy to do. Can you imagine making 50% on your money in just a few minutes after picking this up and doing it anytime you want? I mean, professional investors would be ecstatic with half that return in a whole year. And we're doing it in a matter of seconds. Yes, people like Mr. X are making these insane profits on their money much faster right now, and you get to learn these passive income strategies. I hear what you're thinking, but I don't have a lot of money to start. Well, listen, we've got you covered here. In fact, we're going to show you 15 super easy ways to get that initial seed money, including ways to get free crypto to start, and then get a 50% bump in new crypto. This way, you're only playing with house money. In fact, just one of the seed capital methods we show you can get you $3,300 in a week or two. This alone is worth whatever you'll invest in this training. All you need to do is follow the simple steps Mr. X shows you in his free crypto hack. In just a few clicks, you put in a small amount of crypto and get out 50% instant crypto profit on top of your original amount. It all makes perfect sense when you peek inside Mr. X's free money hack. Here's everything you're going to get for less than the cost of a couple gallons of gas. You get Mr. X walking you through the simple steps to instantly grow your crypto by 50% anytime you want. You get Mr. X then showing you how to invest that extra 50% to earn a quick and easy 24% on that money. You get our special video walkthrough of 15 quick and easy ways to raise seed money so you can get started immediately. And you get special free access to a live Q&A session with Mr. X. Mr. X has built $1 million a year passive income through his DeFi strategies, and now you can ask him anything on this live Q&A session. Look, we were so excited to get this to you that we have priced it at less than a couple gallons of gas, and now it's up to you. Do you want to be able to turn your crypto into 50% more immediately? Then I'll see you on the inside.